Hello, YouTube. I am Brent. Either welcome or welcome back. Uh, See if I can be a little more comfortable in here this time. Was a little awkward first time around, but you got to break the ice sometimes. So I am back with another video about LiveGood. This time I want to go over the affiliate compensation plan and just kind of outline a few things and get people in the know about some of the earning potential here. So let's jump on over to this. So this is my back office. Uh, we'll go into the affiliate compensation plan. It starts off with at Live Good, your health and wellness will always be our number one focus. That's why we eliminate the middleman to make the highest quality products on the planet available to our customers and members for a fraction of the price of the competition. And I'd have to agree with that because I buy a lot of vitamins and supplements, or was, I should say, elsewhere, and I'm getting them considerably cheaper here, and I'm really happy with the quality so far. And on top of the huge savings you get when you purchase any of our life changing products, we also give you the opportunity, that's the key word, you have the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. So let me stop there. When they say they give you an opportunity, you can join and be a member without being an affiliate. So the affiliate fee is a one-time fee of $40 for life. You pay it 40 bucks one time and you are then an affiliate, and it allows you to earn income from just sharing about the company, just talking about it, sharing a link. I guess the best way to put it is in perspective, I guess, is say you went to the movies, you saw a great movie, and you come home and you telling all your friends about it, and your friends go see the movie and they love it. Well, what if every time one of your friends or family members, whoever, went to that theater to see the movie that you told was great, the movie theater paid you? I mean, basically that's what's going on here with Live Good. They do things different. If you refer somebody, because you're going to love these products, guaranteed. You refer somebody, they sign up, Live Good will pay you, and then they create a team for you. And anyone who signs up will be below you, and you will earn as long as they withhold and sustain their membership. You will grow and build, and they will pay you. You get a cut of everybody's membership. It's phenomenal. Um, the $40 fee is a one-time fee, and in my opinion, even if you're just going to buy the products, you might as well pay the 40 bucks because there is spillover, folks. And for those of you that don't know about it, when people refer people above you, there is a tree matrix, and LiveGood is very fair and generous the way they place people. So I personally have about 40 people that they placed under me from people that have signed up above me that I'm now getting paid for, and I never met them, had nothing to do with them. So if you have ever been in an MLM, you understand how Matrix works, and the Live Good spillover is real. I can attest to that. They do claim that, in fact, you can earn up to $2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person. Okay, so let's. This is probably the only catch that anyone in the MLM is always wants to hang up on. They say, "Oh, well, they don't explain to you that that's going to take forever to fill your matrix." Well, yes, but if you're just joining to be a member to buy the great products, um, then it doesn't matter anyways. But yes, if you're referring and you're getting people to join because you're loving it and you're just telling people and they're just joining because they see that you're genuine about what you're talking about here, um, people are just, your matrix is going to fill. Or you can just sit back and wait for spillover, which that's fine as well. You do whatever you want. This is your membership, this is your life. But if you want to be, if you're a go-getter, I should say, then you're going to want to try and tell people about it and get people to join. Why wouldn't you? This is no different than any other thing you ever come across in your life that you're excited about, whether it's a movie, a new restaurant, some cologne, whatever it is. you're always like, man, I just ate at so and so place. They just opened up, and man, it was so good. You really got to check it out. Why not get paid for these things that you're already doing on your own? It's a no brainer. So, in my opinion, whether you're joining just to buy the product and you don't want to refer, pay the one time $40 affiliate fee. Do it. Pay it and just sit back. Eventually, you're going to just start making money. Who cares if it takes a year or a year and a half for your whole matrix to fill up? Once your matrix fills up, you can make $2,047.50 with a full matrix and never refer one person. That is a fact. I have videos on my page, which will be in the link below. You watch how the compensation plan, watch the video, they'll explain it. It can happen. It may take some time if you're just sitting back and doing nothing to progress your business. But if you're a hustler and you're moving around and you're telling people and making big moves, that money is there and more. So much more. That is the bare minimum you can make for doing nothing. You refer to people, that doubles to over $4,000. It's in there. It's crazy. Enough about that. Let's move along here. So, 6 ways to earn, and I'm just going to briefly go over these. So, you have your ranks: bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. For each person you refer to LiveGood who becomes a member and an affiliate for $49.95, we will reward you with a $25 commission paid out the very next week. Plus, if any of the people you enroll choose to enroll others, not only will they be rewarded the same way, but you will also receive additional bonus commissions up to 10 levels deep. So bottom line, you refer somebody, they sign up under your direct link, you are getting 50% of that $49.95. It's one time, but you get paid the very next week. Then they get placed on your team, and that's where it starts stacking up for future passive income for life. Basically, as long as you remain a member, your position is held and you just grow. So you get 50%, and then if that person signs up somebody, you will get 10% of that, of what they enrolled for. So and on and on and on, depending on your rank. It's ridiculous. They explain it a little more in depth there. Then we can get into the matrix commissions, which a lot of this is going to be foreign to some of you until you spend a few minutes and invest and truly understand. And I know it may seem overwhelming right now, but it's really not. They pay out on so many ways. It's just unheard of in the MLM industry, and it's all legit. This place is going nuts. So when you lock in your position in LiveGood, you are given your own business center and our fast-filling 2x15 matrix. As more people join LiveGood every week, they are placed in the matrix under everyone who is already in there following their enroller. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher your position will be in the matrix. So this is the payout. Once you're a bronze, if you're unranked and you're just sitting back, you don't enroll anybody, you're getting paid 12 levels deep, 2.25% every month, and that's how you can get the $2,047.50. You're basically just getting paid off their memberships every month. Like I told you before, if you're bronze, you double that, and then silver, you're at $4,000. This is only your cut of everybody's $9.95. So, like I said, Amazon is not paying you, Sam's Club is not paying you, Netflix is not paying you. LiveGood is paying you for being a member. This is how they keep it going. They give everybody a little cut, a little piece of the pie of that $9.95 they charge every month. It's worth it. Matching bonuses. As huge as the fast start commissions and matrix bonuses are, our matching bonuses are even bigger. On top of the $2,047.50 or up to $16,383.50 that you can earn in your personal matrix, you will also match 50% of the matrix commissions on everyone you enroll and a percentage of everyone those people enroll 5 enrollment generations deep, regardless of where they fall in your matrix. The bonuses are that's really where it's at. So if you can just build a little bit, you are going to get paid all the way down, 5 generations deep. That's unheard of. So that everybody can read a little more into this. Once you're interested, this will be right in your back office for everybody to see, and you get your retail commissions, which is a really nice thing here. So each one of our life-changing products has a member price and a retail price. While most people choose to take advantage of our amazing membership for just $9.95 per month so they can save much more with member pricing, some people may just want to make purchases at retail price. So they don't want to join. They're like, you know what? I don't want to be bothered with the membership. I'll just pay the full price. I think it's reasonable enough compared to what I was paying at Herbalife or wherever you're at, or just GNC. I don't know what you do, but the the price comparison, once you get in here and look at the products, at the bottom of every page in the detail of every product, they do show you some comparables. So you'll see what the difference is between them. So as an affiliate of LiveGood, anytime one of your referrals makes a purchase as a retail customer, you will earn 50% of the difference between the member price and the retail price. I mean, that's great. I'll take that all day long. You know, if someone chooses that's what they want to do, I get 50% of the difference in price. I mean, come on. Get out of here with that stuff. That's just I'm boasting I love it because it's just unreal. Influencer bonus, which this is a toughie. For affiliates who choose to market products to retail customers on a larger scale, you will earn additional bonuses on all of that volume. In fact, you will earn up to 100% of the difference between the member price and the retail price on all orders by your referred retail customers. Influencer bonuses are paid exclusively based on personally enrolled retail volume per month, regardless of rank. So you can not refer anybody, but you have a friend that owns hypothetically a health and wellness store, and they are just buying products from you and selling them in their store. And you can, if they buy 50 grand in a month, you get 100% of the commissions. Stop it. Stop it with that right now. This is great. All right. So then once you rank up, you get to the Diamond and Crown Diamond bonus pools. Our affiliates are a huge part of the success of our company. We recognize that and want to reward you even more by allowing you to share in the total sales of the entire company. Once you achieve Diamond rank, you will share in 2% of total company sales every month. And when you achieve Diamond Crown rank, you will share in 5% of total company sales every month. So what they do is they split that between, at the end of every month, if there's 10 Diamond Pool ranked members, those 10 people will get 2% of the profits, which, okay, I'll do that as well. Thank you. Gladly. So at the bottom of this page, breaks down your enroller tree, your matrix tree. This is a good video. This is also attached to my web link below for your reference. I guess one other thing that I will go over real quick, we will get into your websites. So when you sign up, they create 3 websites for you. Your main LiveGood site. This is where you send people, you're telling about your products and how they can save money as a member. It shows both the member pricing and the retail pricing, so people can choose if they want to become a member and save, or if they just want to pay the retail price for products. They can also join as an affiliate on the site. However, the main focus of the site is the products. So that's your specific link for that page. Your Powerline landing page. This is where you send people, you're telling about the Powerline and the business opportunity. From here, they can see the 5-minute video presentation and fill in their information to become a pre-enrollee in our system. That's your tour page. And then you have your retail page. This is our retail site only. This site looks just like the LiveGood site, but only shows retail prices. It does not show member prices. Use this site if you're only telling people about our products and you want them to pay retail price, so you would earn that 50% commission. So there are the 3 main sites, and then these are some new additions of the product pages. So specific link with a video that will just is linked directly to you, showing their super reds, and they have one for their super greens, and more are to come in the future. So that's all I wanted to touch on for this video. Thank you for stopping by. I'm trying to get a little more fluent with this, so please bear with me. Hope to see you on my team. For what it's worth, any member that joins my team specifically through my link will then be able, I will reach out to you and you will have my email address. I will create a special funnel page for you where everything is all encompassed on one page, so you really don't have to explain everything. All the information about this company will be on that page for you. I will replace all the buttons on that page with your direct links, so everything will go directly to you. You will be on my team. I will be here for you. I will be your support. I will connect you with all the pertinent people in our specific team. I'm with Team Diamond, which is, I believe, number 15, the top 100 in the world right now. I am part of that power line and proud to be. We are killing it like crazy. Do not miss this opportunity, folks. I'm telling you, this thing is going to be massive. 700,000 people in not even a year. We are set to hit 1 million at least before this year ends. You want to get in. This is still the ground floor opportunity. Do not sleep on this. All right, everybody. Have a great day, a blessed life, and we will see you soon.